In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical calendar in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your calendar displaying events in a clean vertical list that's easy to scan and perfect for planning your day or week at a glance. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that you use for your calendar. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, look for the Google Apps icon. It's the small grid made of dots. Click that to open the Apps menu, then select Calendar. If you use Google Calendar often, this is a quick way to get there without typing the address. Once Google Calendar opens, turn your attention to the top right area of the page. You'll see the Settings gear icon, and just beside it, there's an oval button that shows your current view, like day, week, or month. This button has a small arrow, which means it has a drop-down menu. That's the control we'll use to switch to a vertical layout. Click the arrow on that oval view selector to open the list of available views. From the menu, choose Schedule. Schedule is Google's vertical list style view. The moment you click it, your calendar will transform from a grid into a continuous vertical feed of your events grouped by date. In Schedule view, each date appears as a clear header, and your events for that date are stacked vertically underneath. It's great for seeing what's next without the visual clutter of a full grid. You can scroll to move forward or backward in time, and newly added events will slot right into the list in chronological order. If you're managing a busy agenda, this layout makes it easy to prioritize and spot gaps in your day. If you don't immediately see the view selector, try maximizing your browser window or reducing the zoom slightly so the top toolbar isn't collapsed. Also, note that this layout is best accessed on a desktop browser. The mobile app may present views differently. To switch back to any other layout, simply click the same oval view button again and pick day, week, or month. Your events don't change, only how they're displayed, so feel free to move between views whenever you need a different perspective. That's it. You went to Google, open Calendar through the Apps menu, used the view selector next to the settings icon, and chose Schedule to get a clean vertical calendar. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined planning.